Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. You already know from the title, this is an Almazan Siberian chef knife. Look at this. Hey, and then it even they sent this out, check it out, with this leather pouch carrying case. And here's the beauty right here. Take a look. Ah, yeah. Hope you guys can see that. Love this knife. Now, let me let you know how this knife came into play. I subscribe to a channel called Meathead, which I'll put in the iCard above so you can check out his channel. Listen, whenever he makes his cooking videos or how-to videos, this is the knife that he used. Again, that's the Almazan Siberian chef knife. I love it. I love, this fits my personality right here. I've already used this knife. I used it to like cut a sandwich. You know, I was trying not to use it so much until I finally got into the review. But let's just go ahead and call this my real first impressions. So I got some veggies right here. I got a chicken in the oven. Excuse me. I got a chicken in the refrigerator. You know, a whole chicken. I'm going to go ahead and cut that up. And you guys get a chance to see me use it. You know, no prep work, no nothing. Like I say, I've only used it one time. That was just to cut a sandwich. But this now is my new knife of choice. So with no further ado, let's get right into this review. Hey, that rhymes. All right. So I like the way, so far, I like the way it feels in my hand. So let's just go ahead and, you know what? Let me go ahead and just make a cut here. Man, it cuts nice and smooth. You're talking about sharp. Just trying to figure out what's the best way to do this. There we go. For myself, this would be a all-purpose knife. Listen, it's solid, not too heavy, just right. Let's put this over here. Let's go ahead and this should tell me right off the bat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and get this going. All right. All right, look. Again, I want to give you a little backdrop of why I like this knife so much. It's because I like manly, you know, something to just say, hey, I'm a man. I don't know if I'm wrong for saying that. How does a knife say that? But I don't know. But if it was to talk, I feel like this right here would be the one. So, all right. Then that, since I'm going to use these, let me go ahead and cut these now. All right, so there you have it. These are my first impressions of what I think about this Almazan Siberian chef knife. Don't forget to check the description box below, for Meathead's link to his channel, to his link where he's selling the knife. And thanks, Meathead, for getting this knife out to me. I think I discovered my new go-to. So everybody check out the description box below for all the information about the knife. And with that being said, thank you.